Hello children.
So in today's class we will be starting a new chapter, that is fractions. Now what will be a learning checklist? That means by the end of this chapter we'll know, we have to learn all of these things. What are that? To understand the fraction of a region and a collection, to know different types of fractions, to compare, add and subtract like fractions. Okay, by the end of this chapters we will learn these things. Now let's get started. There is one whole cake. Can you see this beautiful chocolate cake here, children? Yummy and delicious cake? Yes. Now, how do you share the cake equally among two people? Suppose you and your brother or sister are there. Now you have to share this cake equally. Yes, among these two people. Now how will we do that? Divide the whole cake into equal parts. Each part is 1/2. Yes. So what did we do? We will divide the whole cake. Whole here means the complete cake into two equal parts. And each part is 1/2. That is what we'll call, right? What will we say? We'll say that let us take this cake half. Yes. So that what does that mean? When we divide the cake into two equal parts, each part is called as a half, 1/2. Now, how do you share the whole cake equally three people? Now, suppose if your mother or father also joins and says that I also want a piece of cake. Now, how will you divide it among three people? Now, divide the whole cake into three equal parts and each part is called as 1/3. See, how many parts did we make? We made 3 parts, 1, 2 and 3. And how many will each person get? Each person will get only one part out of the 3 parts. So what will we call that as 1/3? 1, we will get only one of the 3 parts. So it is called as 1/3. Okay children. See, when we divided the cake into two parts, each part was called as a half. Now here we are dividing the cake into three equal parts. So each part will be called as 1/3. Okay. Now, how do you share the cake equally among four people? Now, when we divide the whole cake into four equal parts, can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, when we divide the cake into four equal parts, each part is 1/4. Yes, there are four parts and each part is called as 1/4. It is only one of the four parts. Yes or no? It is only one of the four parts. So it is called as 1/4. Here it is only one of the given three parts. So it is called as 1/3. These are fractions of 1. What did we learn just now? Dividing the whole cake into parts. These parts, that is each part is called as 1/3 and 1/4 here. Now these are nothing but fractions of 1. When an object or a group of things is divided into equal parts, then each part is a fraction of the whole. What are they saying? Wait a minute children. Yes. When an object or a group of things. What is the object here? Cake. The object is divided into equal parts. Yes or no? We divided it equally. Then each part is a fraction of the whole. Now this is called as the whole cake. Yes. And each part, that is the divided part, is called as our fraction. What is it called as? Fraction. It is called as a fraction. That to which part children? Equally divided part. We need to divide the whole cake into equal parts so that each equal part will be called as a what? Fraction. Fact. If a whole is divided into two unequal parts, then shaded portion does not represent the fraction half. Yes, what are we saying? Suppose if the same cake, suppose this is the cake, you have given only this much part to your brother or sister and you have taken the bigger part to yourself, then is it equal dividing? No, right? You are taking the bigger one and you are giving away the smaller part. These are not equal parts. So it does not represent half half. Yes, so each part here does not represent one half. That is what they are saying. If a whole is divided, whole means the complete item here, or here the complete rectangle is divided into two unequal parts. See, here one part is very small and the other part is very big. Yes or no? The shaded portion does not represent the fraction 1 by 2. Now what does the shaded portion mean here? See, one is plain white but the other is in color. Yes or no? So the colored part is also called as the shaded part. Or sometimes you will be given patterns like this, children. Okay, so then it becomes our shaded part. Now it does not represent 1 by 2. Half 1 by 2 is written in numbers, and how will we read it? How do we know it normally? When we say half, if we have to represent half in numbers, we'll call it as 1 by 2. See, one part of the two parts. Yes or no? There are one and two parts here. Now this is only one part. But as this shaded part is very small and they are not, both the parts are not equal, we cannot call it as 1/2, 1 by 2. But here, as the cake was divided into equal two parts, this becomes 1 by 2 and this becomes 1 by 2. That means, let me write with a lighter ink so that you can see. Yes, this is somewhat visible, right? Yes. So, 2 here is nothing but the total number of parts divided by 1 is the part that we are talking about. Yes, this is one part and this is one part. Same, even here. See, it is divided into 1, 2, 3 parts. Yes, children. So each part is called as 1 by, is written as 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Are you looking at this line here? It is read as by or divided by. So 1 by 3. This part is 1 by 3. This part is 1 by 3. And this part is 1 by 3. All these are equal 1 parts of the total 3 parts. What we are writing below here is the total number of parts. And how will we read it? Each part is 1/3. Okay. So, part of a whole. Understood, right? For the fraction to be 1 by 2 or exactly half, what should we do? We should divide the whole or a group of things. Even we can take a group of things. Suppose if you are taking 4 apples and dividing them as equally 2 and 2. Yes, both the persons receive same number of apples. Then it is called as 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, children, half and half. Okay. Now part of a whole. When the whole object is 1, it is called as a region. When the whole object is 1, it is called as the region. What are they saying? Wait a minute. See, that is what here is the problem. Both the children here are saying the same sentences. Okay. But here it should be different. When the whole object is 1, it is called as a region. Just now in our example, we had only one birthday cake which was distributed among people. Yes. So when the whole object is 1, there the whole cake was only one cake. We call it as a region. What will we call it as, children? We will call that whole as a region. Fractions. And what does fraction means? Fraction means a part of a whole. and this whole can be either a region or a collection. What is this? The whole. That means the object that we are dividing can be either a region or a collection. Now, what is this region? When the whole object is one. When we have only one object, such as one cake or one chocolate, which is to be distributed or divided, it will be called as a region. When the whole object is more than one, this is wrong here children, it is simply repeated. Now, when the whole is more than one, it is called as a collection. Suppose like on your birthday, what will you do? You will take so many chocolates to school and then distribute it among your friends and teachers. Yes or no? So what is the whole here? Whole is the many chocolates that you are taking. Now that many chocolates become our collection. What do they become? They become our collection. What does collection mean? Collection means a group of two or more items. Yes, so when we have two or more items which are to be distributed, then that is called as a collection. That whole is called as a collection. Understood, right? Region is the single birthday cake which is distributed among people, and then collection are the birthday chocolates that you take and go to distribute among the people. Now look at the given figure. Let us erase this here. Yes, look at the given figure. This is a whole pizza. Yes or no? Do you love eating pizza, children? Yes. Yes. So this is a whole pizza. How will we eat? Will you eat the whole pizza by yourself? No. It will be cut into parts. Yes or no? It is cut into many parts here. How many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This pizza can be cut into parts. Yes or no? And what will each part be called as here? 1/8 or 1/8. Understood, children? Next time when you get a pizza for eating, okay, when you cut it, explain it to your family as well. Say that I want 1/8 of a pizza. Or when the pizza is divided into 4 pieces, say that I want 1/4 of a pizza. Okay. Now this pizza can be cut into parts, and what will this be? This whole is called as a region. Why? Because we are having a single pizza which is to be cut and distributed. Now example, this is a whole collection of mangoes. We can take a part of this collection by taking 4 mangoes. What are they saying? This is a whole collection of mangoes. Yes, here is a basket of mangoes. There are more than 1 mangoes in it. Now these mangoes, see, when we are distributing these mangoes, okay, suppose let us say 2 families bought these mangoes together. Now these have to be distributed among 2 families. What will we do? We'll take each mango, cut it in half and distribute? No, right? We'll count the total number of mangoes and then distribute them equally. Yes, we can take a part of this collection by taking 4 mangoes. Yes, from this collection, again what did I say is a collection? Collection is a group of 2 or more things. Yes or no, children? Yes. So here, when from this collection we can take a part of the collection by taking some mangoes. But when we are talking about the region here, that is the one single pizza, we can take a part of it by cutting it. Yes, but here we will not cut. We can simply take a few number of mangoes so that we'll have a fraction of these mangoes. Again, what is the fraction? Fraction is a part of the whole here. Yes, so for a region we can take the fraction by cutting it here, and here we can take a fraction by taking a few number of mangoes.